Hi Sarky, this is Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to show you a couple of things really quick that we can do to your website to help you start ranking higher in Google, start bringing in more business to you. So I've got your website up here, Volta Electrical Company. I like this picture right here, very clean, very sleek. What we want to add is your phone number somewhere right up here. As soon as clients click on your page, they can easily just bam, hit that phone number, give you a call. Make it really easy for them. You've got this About Us option, which is great too. The projects that you've done, it's really great right here if you can just readily list your services, and you can have links to those services for more detail to each service page, something like that. But again, just having that available for clients to immediately see as soon as they get onto your website is great. You can also add a call to action right up here at the top, something like free quote, and they can just click on it, or even like a contact us that they would fill out so that it gets submitted to you. Going down through here, you do have some good content and stuff in here, and then you've got testimonials down at the bottom, which is always a great thing to have on your website. And again, down here at the bottom, we've got your contact information. I noticed these were up at the top too, but different ways that clients can connect with you. All of that is great. Now, what Google really cares about is content, and so they want to see you sitting at about a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. So I've gone ahead, and I know that you're pretty high up already, which is great. I put your website into wordcounter.net, which is just a free tool, and you're sitting at about a little over 1,000 words. Now, I've also put in your one of the top competitors in your area, Prime Electric, and as you can see, they've only got about 322 words on their homepage. So you're already blowing them out of the water there, but you really want to get up to that 1,500 word mark. Now, in addition to that quality content getting boosted up there, you want to have buyer intent keywords kind of sprinkled throughout that content. And so some of those, or at least one example of that buyer intent keyword is Electrician, Bellevue. Now, when I search that on your page, this particular phrase isn't on here at all, not once. And this is a buyer intent keyword, like I mentioned, so someone's going to type this into Google trying to find someone in that area to help fix what they need help with. And so if you've got this listed on your home page, Google's going to send crawlers through, it's going to read this, it's going to start bringing your website higher up to the top because you've got what customers are looking for when they type stuff into Google. Now, the next thing that we're going to touch on is backlinks. And so Google's like a popularity contest, and so backlinks are very important. Now, a backlink is just like a shout out from another website, and it's just letting Google know that your website is trustworthy and relevant, but Google will also have to make sure that the website that's giving you that shout out is also trustworthy and relevant. So you have to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. An example of that is if Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to hold as much power with Google because Google knows you're not a pizza company. Now, the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. There are plenty of other free tools out there that you can use. And so what we're going to start with here is this UR and DR rating. Now, your UR is your trustworthy rating with Google, and your DR is your power rating with Google. As you can see, your trustworthy rating, there isn't any data for it, and your power rating is a 0. And so these are fueled from your backlinks, and so that kind of lets us know maybe we don't have enough backlinks, maybe some of the backlinks we have aren't as relevant to us as they should be, and so those come from the referring domains. That's where all your backlinks are housed. So I put in Prime, and as you can see, their UR and DR are much higher, and they're pretty close to each other. They've got quite a few backlinks and quite a few referring domains. So what you can do is click into these referring domains and just get yourself added to these exact same ones, because if they're helping Prime rank, they're going to help you rank as well. And all you have to do is sometimes you email the account owner, sometimes you just register an account, sometimes you pay a monthly fee for it, sometimes it's just your citation, but either way, it starts to help you rank organically, which is going to increase your organic traffic to your website, which is going to increase the amount of money that's coming in to your business. Now, you can also go into these organic keywords here and find other high-ranking volume keywords that you can sprinkle in throughout your 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. And again, Google's going to read these keywords with its crawlers, and it's going to help you rank organically for it. Now, when we talk about organic ranking, I mean right down here, and I looked through the organic section of Google and I got to the second page and I couldn't find your website at all. And after that, generally, no one goes past the second page. Sometimes most people don't even go to the second page on Google. So we really want to be ranked in the first, second, or third position organically. And so adding that content, sprinkling in those buyer intent keywords, and then increasing your backlinks is going to help you rank organically here. Now, the last thing that we're going to talk about is this section right here called the Local Map Pack or Google My Business. Now, how you get ranked here is by creating a profile, filling it out completely, and then getting your citation listed in as many directories as you can. So your citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number, and those directories just include things like Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, things like that. So what I would do if I was in your shoes, I would find all those directories that my top competitors are listed in, and I would get my citation added into those exact same ones, and then I would go above and beyond that. And if they're in 150, I'm going to get myself listed into 250 or 300 and really blow them out of the water. All right, that's all I've got for you. Just a quick recap. Increase that content. You're pretty close to that 1,500 word mark. Get yourself up there. Sprinkle in those keywords, especially things like Electrician, Bellevue, Bellevue Electrician, things like that. And then we want to increase those backlinks and those referring domains. We want to boost our trustworthy rating and our power rating with Google. And then we want to get our citation out there everywhere that we can, so we start ranking in the map pack as well. And then we're going to be ranked number 1 here and number 1 here. And that's going to show our clients that Google trusts us and we are a trustworthy company. I hope this was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks.